Neat thing about the Thompson Strainer, I know you guys watched a little video ahead of time, but it's this conical shaped screen. All of our screens come with disc gaskets and filter gaskets, but they're not like a basket strainer, or this would be a basket where the water would flow in the top and come out the sides. Where do the particles go? They all end up inside of a basket. What we do is we invert our strainers. So they're inverted. So it's going to sit in the housing just like this. Okay. Before I place it in the housing, I want you to see the bottom inlet, which is located right here, 8-inch flange. You can get that engrooved as well if you'd like, or in other fittings if you would like something else. It comes through, you have a conical shaped screen right here. It goes through the middle of the screen and out the outlet. Again, flange, if you would like it grooved, we can provide that as well. Inside, she's showing you there's a riser and a pipe that comes up. That can be stainless steel as an option, or our standard is just a PVC 90 and riser that comes up into the screen. The screen itself fits right in. We provide these handles for you. Goes right into the housing, comes right down, and that's how it sits into the housing. So you have your dirty water side. This is going to be a pressure differential arm, and the clean water side gauges can be placed right here, or you can look at a pressure differential arm. After we place the screen into the housing, you would do the head gasket, which sits right across the screen, right on top of the head, and then you would put on the lid. The lid would go on like this, and then the nuts and bolts from there would be applied. All of our units come with an air relief port. It's just a 1/4-inch air relief port that you can put a little valve on, or you can get a 1/4-inch little air relief if you'd like. But all of our strainers come with that. Our option features are the pressure differential alarm. That's this product right here. It's going to measure the differential pressure between the dirty water side, which is the bottom side, to the clean water side, which is the top side. We also apply black tubing to the dirty water side and blue tubing to the clean water side. This is 110 electrical. It works for both the automatic timer flush in the back and the pressure differential alarm. From the factory, it's set at 7 PSI. So there's a little setting right here in this gauge that you can set at 7 PSI. And if the pressure differential would build up and hit 7 PSI, a light would blink and alarm would sound. You could also reset that, and then you would have to perform maintenance on the system. We also have the automatic timer flush, which is located right here, which is a stainless steel motorized ball valve. The system can be off, toggle switch is in the middle. You can manually flush it by hitting the manual flush by holding it. The ball will actuate and it'll flush the unit out. Now, as soon as I let go, it automatically shuts itself. You have an indicator right here of basically off, and of course it moves to be open. This little box right here contains a timer that can be set, and it's factory set to once every 24 hours for 8 seconds to flush. And to actuate that, you just would click it on auto timer flush. Leave it right there, and once every 24 hours for 8 seconds, it'll flush itself. And that's user friendly, adjustable. If you want to flush it every 48 hours, 64 hours, 8 hours, whatever you'd like, you can perform that. So this is our 8-inch strainer. Miller Leaman offers 2-inch models, 3-inch models, and 4-inch models. Those 3 models come with either a clamp lid, and the 4-inch comes in clamped or bolted. So the clamp lid is very easy to open up. It's just one clamp on the 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch. The 4-inch goes with bolted, 6-inch bolted, 8-inch bolted, 10, 12, and 14-inch are all bolted. Optional swing bolts if you would like. That's an adder. Anything for flow rates that are low to 10 gallons per minute, all the way up to our 14-inch model, which can handle 4,000 gallons per minute, or we can manifold them together for any particular flow that you would like. Our largest system, I think, is around 20 gallons per minute. Excuse me, 20,000 gallons per minute. If you have any questions, you can give a call to your Insight representative. They can help you out, or you can call our factory. We thank you for looking at our Thompson strainers. And Tony, I'm going to send it back to you.
Great. Thank you, David. Well, that was really cool. If anybody watching this has any questions, this is the first time we've done a factory live video, and it was really exciting. We're going to do a lot more. We kept this one kind of short because we're trying to work out all the kinks in the technology. But If you have a question on this product or any other products, let us know. And also, I don't know if you saw when David was walking through the factory, there's a big space age looking thing with a pump on it. That is called the turbo disc. And we are going to be doing a live demonstration on that on Wednesday. So if you need some information on that, you could see it in one of my LinkedIn posts. You could always contact us in this video. There's all the information above to contact us. And we just thank you all so much for your business and thank you for your support. And we hope you enjoyed this. Please like it and share it if you enjoyed it, and have a great day. Thank you.